So, hi, my name is Constance. I'm one of the dentists at Excellence in Dentistry, and as a dentist I see lots of patients for their regular checkups, and patients are always asking me about oral hygiene and what they can do to look after their teeth. As much as we love seeing our patients, some of them too come to us more often because there's something that's not quite right. And so they always ask us, what can we do to reduce our number of visits? So there's a few tips that we give to our patients in order to reduce the number of dental visits. First thing is brushing your teeth twice a day, morning and nighttime. We recommend that patients brush in the morning before breakfast because in our breakfast we do have a lot of acidic foods, potentially acidic, things like orange juice or yogurt, and if you brush your teeth after eating these foods you could potentially wear away the enamel a lot quicker. It's also the idea that you want to have a clean plate before you eat your food. That's the same with your teeth. You want your teeth to be squeaky clean before you actually go and eat something. So another tip for good oral hygiene is the use of TP brushes or interdental brushes. You'd use these before toothbrushing. The idea is that you want to push out all the plaque, maybe any bits of food or any other debris between the teeth, push them out and then use your toothbrush to brush everything away. A good handy tip would be to dip your toothbrush into some toothpaste before you push the brush between the teeth, so that you can kind of get the toothpaste, the good ingredients in the toothpaste between the teeth as well. So before toothbrushing, we'd also recommend the use of floss. Floss, like interdental brushes, they're good for pushing out the plaque between the teeth. TP brushes push out the bulk of the plaque, and floss just gets away that little bit extra that the brushes can't get to. So for example, where the teeth touch or below the gum line. And once you have a little bit more practice, it should only take about a minute maximum to use the floss in all the aspects. So the difference between TP brushes and floss is that TP brushes, they're a lot thicker than floss, so they can push out the bulk of the plaque between the teeth. Floss is a lot thinner and it's a lot finer, so it can get to all the bits of plaque that the TP brush misses, mainly where the teeth actually touch, the contact points, and also below the gum line as well. So we always recommend that you floss as well as use TP brushes. So when it comes to brushing your teeth, obviously brushing twice a day is important. It's also important to follow a pattern. So always kind of start from one side, work to the other side, then go top to bottom, left to right. I'd also recommend using an electric toothbrush over a normal toothbrush. There's been lots of research to show that electric toothbrushes are superior to normal toothbrushes, main brand being the Oral-B toothbrush, which is what we recommend. So after brushing your teeth, you should use a tongue scraper to scrape down your tongue. Lots of patients ask, why do I need to do this? Plaque does actually build up on your tongue as much as it can build up on your teeth and on your gums as well. So immediately after toothbrushing, use a tongue scraper to scrape down any residual plaque on the tongue. As a practice, we recommend doing a longer routine at one point in the day. So that would mean using the TPs, flossing, using the electric toothbrush and the tongue scraper. We do recommend you do that in the morning, and then at night time just using your electric toothbrush and flossing or TPing if you want to. But if you really want to, you can flip that routine the other way around, so maybe doing a quick brush in the morning and spending longer in the evening. If you follow that routine, you'll have the cleanest teeth, healthiest gums and the freshest breath. And potentially you could save money on your dental bills having less hygiene visits or just less visits to see the dentist. And so overall prevention is better than a cure.